Hello, Hardware here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problems and issues with your Square app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, go up to the search bar, search Square, check if you have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app, should be everything cool, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way, go up to the settings, go up to the apps, see all, finder, Square, here, permissions, and just allow all the not allowed permissions, like here. If you do this, go up to the Wi-Fi data usage and unrestricted mobile data usage on. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues, but if you still got some, show you last way. So last way, go up to the back to the Play Store, uninstall the app, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.